Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's happening right now. Welcome to Moodzy. Every few years, a new technology changes the world. Today, that technology is artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to show you the 10 AI tools you absolutely must try in 2026. But here's the thing. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify what you're already capable of. The right AI tool can save you hours every single day. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones are worth your time. Number 10, Perplexity AI. Imagine having a search engine that doesn't just give you links, but gives you clear, accurate answers backed by reliable sources. Whether you're researching, learning something new, or fact-checking information, Perplexity helps you find what you need in seconds instead of minutes. If you spend hours searching the web, this AI will completely change your workflow. Number 9, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the world's most advanced artificial intelligence assistants developed by OpenAI. It can understand natural language and help users with a wide variety of tasks, including answering questions, writing articles, generating code, translating languages, brainstorming ideas, and solving complex problems within seconds. However, ChatGPT is not perfect. It can occasionally provide inaccurate or outdated information, especially when discussing rapidly changing topics. It also lacks human emotions, personal experiences, and independent judgment, meaning its responses should always be verified before making important decisions. One of ChatGPT's greatest strengths is its ability to understand context and provide detailed, human-like responses. It helps students learn faster, developers write better code, businesses improve productivity, and content creators generate high-quality ideas and scripts. With support for multiple languages and creative tasks, ChatGPT has become an essential tool for millions of people worldwide. Number 8, Claude AI. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is one of the most advanced AI assistants available today. It excels at writing, coding, research, document analysis, and solving complex problems with detailed, thoughtful responses. One of Claude's biggest strengths is its ability to understand long conversations, analyze large documents, and provide accurate, well-structured answers with a strong focus on safety and reliability. However, Claude also has some limitations. It can be more cautious than other AI models and may refuse certain requests, even when they are harmless, which can sometimes reduce its flexibility. Overall, Claude AI is an excellent choice for professionals, students, developers, and anyone looking for a reliable AI assistant for productivity and creative work. Number 7, Gemini AI. Gemini AI, developed by Google, is a powerful AI assistant designed to help with everyday tasks, creativity, coding, research, and productivity. One of Gemini's biggest strengths is its deep integration with Google's ecosystem, including Search, Gmail, Docs, Drive, and other Google services, making it especially useful for people who already use Google products. However, Gemini also has some limitations. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, and its responses can occasionally be less consistent on complex tasks compared to specialized AI models. Overall, Gemini AI is a fast, versatile, and reliable assistant, making it a great choice for students, professionals, developers, and anyone looking for an AI powered by Google's technology. Number 6, Midjourney. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, Midjourney can create thousands from a single prompt. From breathtaking concept art to cinematic illustrations, It's one of the most powerful AI image generators available today. Number 5. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot, developed by Microsoft, is an AI assistant designed to boost productivity across work, study, and everyday tasks. Its biggest strength is its seamless integration with Windows, Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, helping users write documents, analyze data, create presentations, and manage emails more efficiently. Copilot also supports coding assistance, web research, and AI-powered image generation, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and creators. However, some advanced features require a Microsoft 365 subscription, and the overall experience is best for users already invested in Microsoft's ecosystem. Number 4. Grok AI. Grok AI, developed by xAI, is a smart AI assistant that helps people find information, answer questions, and complete everyday tasks. One of Grok's biggest strengths is its ability to provide up-to-date information, making it useful for learning about the latest news, technology, sports, and many other topics. Grok can also help with writing, coding, brainstorming ideas, and solving problems, all in a simple and easy-to-understand way. However, Grok is not perfect. It can sometimes give incorrect answers, and some features may only be available with a premium subscription. Number 3. DeepSeek AI. Meet DeepSeek AI, one of the fastest-growing artificial intelligence models in the world. Designed for advanced reasoning, coding, mathematics, and natural language understanding, DeepSeek delivers powerful performance with remarkable efficiency. Whether you're a developer, student, or content creator, it provides intelligent responses, accurate code generation, and deep analytical capabilities. If you're looking for a cutting-edge AI assistant that rivals the industry's biggest names, DeepSeek AI is definitely worth exploring. Number 2. Google Veo AI. Introducing Google Veo, Google's most advanced AI video generation model. Built to transform simple text prompts into stunning cinematic videos, Veo delivers realistic motion, dynamic camera movements, accurate physics, and incredible visual storytelling. From breathtaking landscapes to Hollywood-style scenes, it creates high-quality videos with exceptional detail and creativity. Whether you're a filmmaker, marketer, or content creator, Google Veo is redefining the future of AI-powered video production. Number 1. OpenAI Sora. This is OpenAI Sora, an AI that turns simple text into stunning cinematic videos. From realistic characters to breathtaking worlds, Sora creates scenes that look like they're straight out of a Hollywood movie, fast, creative, and incredibly realistic. This isn't just AI. This is the future of filmmaking. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tools, tech updates, and future innovations. Let me know in the comments, which AI tool is your favorite, and which one should I review next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay creative, stay ahead with AI.